Hey everyone, did you know that you don't need to spend a fortune to get an amazing drone? That's right, you can get high quality 4K footage, GPS navigation and even obstacle avoidance, all under $300, 0 cents. In this video, we're counting down the best drones under $300 that you can grab right now. Some are perfect for beginners while others have pro-level features at a budget price. Stick around to the end because we'll reveal which one wins it all in terms of value, performance, and camera quality. All the links are in the description, so don't forget to check them out. Now, let's dive in. Number 6. DJI Mini 4K. Kicking off our list is the DJI Mini 4K, a lightweight powerhouse that delivers crisp 4K UHD footage with a 3-axis gimbal for ultra-smooth shots. Its sub-249G weight means no FAA registration is needed, making it beginner-friendly. With a 31-minute flight time, you can capture plenty of breathtaking aerial shots without frequent recharges. The Level 5 wind resistance helps it stay stable even on breezy days. The DJI Fly app offers intuitive controls, but keep in mind, there's no obstacle avoidance, so you'll need to fly with care. Compared to the Potensic Atom 4K, the Mini 4K shines in low-light performance and exposure adjustments. While the Atom 4K might offer warmer image tones, DJI's superior stabilization makes this a better pick for serious aerial photography on a budget. Number 5. Cancoteq 4K Drone. At number 5, we have the Cancoteq 4K Drone, a foldable quadcopter that packs GPS precision, obstacle avoidance, and a 2-ax gimbal, a rare feature in this price range. The 100D GFOV lens and EIS stabilization ensure relatively stable shots, though low-light footage can be grainy. Unlike the DJI Mini 4K, this drone features follow me, waypoints, and auto-return, great for hands-free operation. With 2 batteries offering 60 minutes of flight time, it outlasts many competitors, including the Potensic Atom 4K. While Potensic might win in low-light shooting, Cancoteq fights back with more safety features and an upgraded FPV screen, making it a fantastic choice for beginners who want extra guidance while flying. Number 4. MSMV 4K Drone. Looking for a drone that's beginner-friendly and fun for kids? The MSMV 4K drone is a compact quadcopter packed with 360 DG flips, headless mode, and a 1-key start. The 4K HD FPV camera delivers decent shots, but keep in mind it's more for casual use than professional filmmaking. The package includes 2 batteries, 10 minutes each, which is lower than others on this list. However, its carrying case and simple controls make it a great entry-level option. Compared to the Holystone HS210, the MSMV wins on camera quality, but loses out on battery life and durability. If you want an affordable drone to test the waters of aerial photography, this is a solid pick. Number 3. Chibori X10 Pro. Coming in at number 3, the Chibori X10 Pro is an excellent GPS drone with a 4K UHD camera, 100DG adjustable lens, and brushless motors for enhanced stability. It features a 5 GHz FPV transmission, ensuring smooth live streaming. The biggest highlight? 3 batteries, offering up to 90 minutes of flight time. That's way more than the Holystone HS720E, though the lack of a gimbal means footage might not be as stable. With features like auto-return, tap fly, and point of interest, it's a great pick for beginners who want long flights with smart features. However, if camera stability is your top priority, the HS720E's gimbal might be a better option. Number 2, Holystone HS360S. The Holystone HS360S secures the runner-up spot with its 4K UHD camera, 85 DG FOV, and 5G FPV transmission. Unlike many drones at this price, it has a 10,000-foot control range, which is one of the longest in this category. The brushless motors enhance stability, but the lack of a gimbal can make footage shaky, especially in windy conditions. While 20-minute flight time per battery is decent, it falls behind the Chibori X10 Pro in longevity. Compared to the DJI Mini 2 SE, the HS360S is cheaper but lacks DJI's superior stabilization. If you're looking for an affordable long-range drone, this one's a fantastic choice. Number 1. Pleb 4K Drone, the winner. Taking the top spot is the Plebi 4K brushless motor drone. This feature-packed drone combines a 4K camera, 130 DG wide-angle lens, and voice control for an interactive flying experience. Unlike the Holystone HS360S, it includes gesture photography and propeller guards, making it safer for beginners. The brushless motors ensure stable flights, and while the camera lacks advanced stabilization, it still delivers crisp and clear footage. With 2 batteries providing extended flight sessions, you get great value for your money. Compared to all others, the Pebbly Bowl balances affordability, performance, and user-friendliness the best, making it the ultimate budget drone under $300, 0 cents. Final verdict. And there you have it, the best drones under $300. If you want the best camera and stabilization, go for the DJI Mini 4K. Need a longer flight time? The Tubry X10 Pro has you covered. Want extra safety features? The Kankatech is a great pick, but for overall value, camera performance, and beginner friendliness, the Pleble 4K drone is the best choice. Which one do you like the most? Let me know in the comments. All the links are in the description. Check them out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.